Miss Farmer, and I have one question to ask. What is love to you?
Love is unconditional. Love is kind. Love can be hard. And it is truthful.
Have you ever experienced love?
Yes. Love can come in different variations. You can be in a relationship. It can be with your kids. It can be with, for me, I even love the kids in my classes, even though they don't say it. It comes in different forms.
Hello, I'm Denaja Battle. I'm here with Sergeant Reed. And
Sergeant Reed.
And I would like to ask you one question.
Yes.
On a personal level, what is love to you?
On a personal level, very difficult. It's hard for me to explain what is love. I think love has a lot to do with emotions, your feelings, your welfare, your well-being. Needless to say, I'm still seeking love, and I'm still trying to find out exactly what it means, even though I'm married. I know love is a different thing. Love is like with my children. I love them, somebody I die for, but I don't know if I die for that kind of love for any other person other than my child. So what is love? I don't know.
Ooh, I like that. Like that.
Battle, and I'm here with Master Sergeant Freeman, and I have one question to ask you. How do you feel about love on a personal level? What is love to you? You just gonna sure answer it like that? Yeah. How do you feel? You experience love with your husband, right? And your kids?
And I feel fine, but love is caring.
You gotta be deep. Come on.
I can't get deep.
Why?
Because that's not what it is.
Why?
It's done. Denaja right.
Oh my goodness. Signing out. I'm so extra. What is love to you on a personal level?
Love to me on a personal level is someone who compliments who I am, who does not complete me, because you have to be complete yourself before you can love someone else. Love on a personal level is also being able to answer that question when you ask them, why do you love me? They should be able to answer it, and not with financial reasons and not with physical reasons, but with heartfelt, true, loving reasons.
Thank you. You're welcome. Ms. Gibson, I have one question for you. What is love to you?
Love is everything. Love is how you feel about somebody very passionately, when you can't stop thinking about that person or that thing, and it consumes your day. That's love.
Thank you, Edwin. And I have one question for you. What is love to you?
What I feel like love is a connection that somebody has towards someone else. It's not based off of two people, it's just based off of one person giving it. And affected they are about it. And yeah. How it's what somebody showed towards somebody else. It's as if they care or not. Loving isn't just about being affectionate. It's about showing emotions, whether it's good or bad. But that's what I think love is.
Ooh. Ooh. Thanks, man. Ooh.